In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening the Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, go into Settings, hit Apps and Notifications, scroll to hit Default Apps and tap on Home app to finally click on Launcher Pro. Then tap on Allow All and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. To make some changes to it, just go into Launcher app. To go back to your default launcher, just access the same settings. Click on ASUS Launcher and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!